Learn about the animals. Monkey, panda, duck have to go to their homes. The animals are sad. Let's help them. I'm monkey. I'm panda. And I'm duck. Animals are hungry. Let's feed them. Duck eats corn. Panda eats bamboo. And monkey eats bananas.
Wow!
Oh, there is a house. It's monkey's house. Wow, it's duck's house. Yay, it's panda's house. The elephant, hare and bears also have to go to their homes. The animals are sad. Let's help them. I'm bear, I'm hare, and I'm elephant. The animals are hungry. Let's feed them. Bear eats corn, elephant eats apples, and hare eats carrots.
Wow!
Oh, there's a house. It's hare's house. Wow, it's bear's house. Yay, it's elephant's house.